Well, going up all this, most of the video is going to be on dancehall artist VYBZ Kartel, who did an interview last night, August the 18th, with FOX5 News. Now today, the 19th, is under investigation. Nationwide report.
The Department of Correctional Services in Jamaica and several state agencies have launched a major investigation after a voice said to be of murder convict and incarcerated dancehall superstar VYBZ Kartel was broadcast during an exclusive interview aired last night on FOX5 in the United States. The interview has set tongues wagging in Jamaica's capital city, Kingston, and other sections of the island. The male voice said to be of Kartel spoke with Lisa Evers at the New York-based television station. The U.S.-based journalist says she was called by Kartel while he was inside his prison cell.
International dancehall superstar VYBZ Kartel has been behind bars for nearly a decade for a murder he claims he did not commit, locked away deep inside a Jamaican prison. I've been trying to interview him for several years, but it seemed impossible. Then one night I got a surprising call. Adija Palmer, better known as VYBZ Kartel, was on the line, wanting to set the record straight.
I hope you're hearing me.
Yes. As you look around the cell that you're in right now, can you describe for us what that looks like?
It's dark, it's hot, it has like 3 or 4 bunk beds, it's got a toilet in the corner, and it's got a huge grill, lots of metal. It's like a dungeon, but it's, instead of being in the cellar, it's in the attic. I'm actually in the roof.
The voice said to be of Kartel alleged that the Jamaican state wants to silence him.
If you remember when Movado and I had that little feud a few years ago, we even went to King's house, which is like the home of the Prime Minister. And they were telling us that, oh, we're leading the kids astray, and if we don't stop what we're doing, we're not going to get any permission to do shows and stuff like that. So it has always been about the influence that VYBZ Kartel has.
The voice said to be of the entertainer could be heard in the FOX5 interview, saying he's doing better physically and has always been in a good mental space.
Yeah, because I was sick for a few years, so definitely I'm recovering physically, but mentally I've always been in a good place because I know I'm innocent and I know I'm coming out.
Do you really believe that?
Yeah, of course I believe that. And to be totally honest, the system really wanted me thrown away. It was never about me being charged for a murder. It was about getting rid of VYBZ Kartel, not Adija Palmer, the person.
Why do you say the system is out to get you?
Because they told us, they say we have too much influence.
The FOX5 publication reported that Kartel says he has released many songs since being incarcerated and says he looks forward to his appeal being overturned by the United Kingdom-based Judicial Committee of the Privy Council.
Yes, God save the Queen, because she's the only one that can save me now. Lots of songs I can't even count. At one point I was sending out like 3-4 books a month, because when I write the songs I usually send the books out when I get visits. Thousands of songs, really. And I know all of them are not going to be able to get released maybe in the span of my career, but I just keep writing and writing. It makes me better.
Are you concerned that the conditions there are going to impact your health?
I'm basically just thinking about going home now because everything is drawing to a close, so I'm not really worried about my health as much. I'm doing much better, so it's all good.
A male voice said to be of murder convict and incarcerated dancehall star VYBZ Kartel speaking with Lisa Evers of FOX5 in the United States. In the meantime, it's understood that the investigation by the authorities in Jamaica is moving to verify the authenticity of the voice aired on the FOX5 interview, which was reportedly conducted with Kartel. The probe is also moving to find out whether, despite additional security being assigned to Kartel's prison cell at the Horizon Remand Center a few months ago, a mobile phone was smuggled into the cell. It's understood that the Department of Correctional Services, the Minister of National Security Inspectorate, and several law enforcement agencies are taking part in the investigation. In March last year, security was tightened around Kartel after a mobile phone was found in his cell. The entertainer was relocated from the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Facility and sent to the Horizon Remand Facility. In the months following the tightening of security around Kartel, posts from the entertainer's Instagram account, which had been frequent, ceased. However, in recent days, just prior to the release of his new album, activity has returned to some of Kartel's social media pages. Kartel is serving life imprisonment in connection with the murder of Clive Lizard Williams in Havendale in St. Andrew in 2011. The entertainer is currently awaiting word on the appeal of his murder conviction, which is being considered by the UK-based Judicial Committee of the Privy Council.